me dwane. I want to yama papa was so. Yeah, I want to yama papa. That's all right. Me David, what do you mean? Me dwane say. Me dwane say. Why should you yama papa na so? Soon. Ah. Me pa cho men kasa to wa se men kasa. Men kasa obi ni mu kofe. Tiemi me si obi ni mu nsachira na adwene. Na wonye adwuma menya me. Yes. Tiemi ma men kasa nwie pa cho. Me pa cho o kasa kasa. Tiemi o kasa man kasa. Me si obi ni mu nsachira na adwene. Tiemi pa obofo nsachira na adwene. Omo nya adwuma emma de oyi ni ho de chem ye fe ne Yeshua Hamashia. Yes. And now all year do Mama Bronson. Oh, yeah, do Mama Bronson on such an again. By their fruits. Papa says, so many video was what I say. Also, yeah, do Mama Bronson. Oh, yeah, do Mamma. Papa, what can be bizarre? Timmy, me say, almost such a woman, you name of Menkase. Timmy, Menkase, Obi ni mu kwa heavy. Me use sa word. Me say onye adwuma mawurade. Into on such an adwene. Na eya fifi eden na so obi nim. Eno obofo anya adwuma me. I carry the spirit of God. I carry the power of God. Sa na me so ma carry spirit of God o me mo say wo papa say no. Wo so yi adwuma ma bronsam. Me ni problem say wo kasa. Timmy, me ni problem say wo kasa. Timmy, me ni dia wo kasa. But they make catch on say by their fruits. Osin Riana Babema wo hu bia Croatia se ena no ma won takra se no ena tubo mu asante fon ma chapter 1 verse 1 nti wo ho na udidie omo na ma usika omo kope tie mi on kasa nie omo na usua won omo na adwuma na omo ye no akwankyere ni bi na wo ye nti wo nyina no mo ye brane ba won so no wo pa Facebook ma men kasa nie nkrofo sika papa se ba Facebook twa bi to nyankopon wallahi talai metumi enye nipa more than 50 I say papa say adi won sika me na ya ko nyankopon papa me say papa me na ya ko me we ya no ansa na waba me wo ma sole e wo ma lam station Heaven's Gate Ministry International me wo ma sole me ya founder and leader me start ye nyam djuma na 33 years Setam na papa she wo gusutu ni koyo so enye ne asofudie m kura na ma kan we nche o say asofudie m no matumi aka che o say bishop obi nim edim sa me ye senior wom reverend obofo edim sa me ye senior me ka senior on beto me wo adwuma nim eti me independent free obi nim ho ana me independent free obofo ho me am wo masoli wo me ministry asai wo me am TV station kum one TV asai wo me am dwapade anya me die shrame but asemwa o ka ato obi nim so ani reverend obofo so no ana nsese wo ka because ba say mayemu atan na when you bu watan so they say last 2 weeks say obeye video bi ba bonten say Reverend Sam Kwanchi Ankara Otabel Agena Sale ena ba ku kan your wo connection Sam Kwanchi Ankara Otabel na Agena Sale and your papa Duncan Williams obeye audio at the braste one say almost such a bonnet. I will get you many men. Almost such a money. And the cat was said Duncan Williams. And yet, me patron Mamma Nusi. And the cat will say, Miss of Good Judge and beside question say, and the cat papa say, Duncan Williams, Agena Sal or Tabel. Any Sam Kwanchi Ankara. And yet, you may mean, I mean, all your Duma Bronsam. Sana papa saying so. And yet, Duma Emma Bronsam. Information here. Papa, what can be about a year? Mammy, Macassa, Babomini, it's Socrates, it's a Mabomudi, made by Cassa to me. Whom judge as a man and I are Cosa, a papa, see evangelist. Make Major Jinko Fusika. Tell me a neighbor, never manage me, baby, I may buy Ghana. What is a man and I say, ready, friend me? Mako Chobi and Mako Pitch, Mako Jessica, me. The house sorry, the Mukoko Kanya, someone, Yachama Diamin, who be so America, be able to come out. That Facebook will scan for what the son of one year. Maybe, Mamma Kazambago Joe. That be yes or no. Maybe, me patch up to me.
tie me ye fifi na no ne me kasa dia asem me se me timi be wo ka se wo kra se me be preach na mbeka bibi na achama dia am se no menye se me no ndam ana me timi da bi na ka se wo papa wo ye nyame djuma adwuma na wo ye ne kama koma se me ba be boa wa na nipa no me ni na asa ne bibi bremia me se me gine se me ba be preach no tia me ka dia me nya bi da for so bi
se ni bibi brewa wo ye nyame djuma no bi se ni bibi brewa
tie se o preach o preach
ana ma preach kwa wie
na se bi se ni bibi bre na onye dey onye
me se me be preach. Oh, please, but and someone tell me, my young Juma for 12 years. Tell me, the preach you America be said, baby, I'm going to preach Biana, baby, and you are men and I. My family car driving 8 hours. I preach. Now your mommy Sika Majida, Ubisa, Mamma tried here. I can say, women's are grow. Be say, women's are grow. New York. I can say, why, Grand Concourse. Women's are grow. Be say, women's are grow. New Jersey. I saw na kwa your friends so for them born each Pastor Prince Kwaku Prince na the BB Kingdom ha me ko kan temi me ni no obeto America and was say ready see me so seed lawyer penimu na Ghana area friend no was papa ready see me so seed $1,000 in fancho na me ni no obeto America na me ka oni jaye oni jaye area fe me ka chere and jaye say papa nyame ngongo see me ma me bless you $1,000 na mo America o na me preach ye me the papa no mo so pen and obedu Ghana send iska na me ka say ade a papa ye enso me buy no friend me say opesa me ba na so be preach and am say urade ma me kwa je say me bomb pa ye me bomb pa ye urade ma me kwa me chiri me pa cho me na bet me ba me kama
my professor yes or no
ma cho ma me nka so
o preach we and professor
my brother
evidence be
tie ma say ma me nka
me
mami prove
me evidence bebre
mami prove am kwa so dia go picture magisi ga
me nya so le na me ka o tie
na me preach this ga
o ye Facebook live na preach am enkrofo esen sika eba
na me ye me bo my Facebook live no be ko me Facebook no say papa kama kuma say ministry na o ye no me ba be so see da na ba be bo e bone
na ye de ministry no ye
ya wo ton chini je de me ga cha de o ya kwanta
me so fukum
cha mo da
me ton chen me ton
she o ya mo fo ya defend o me nya sa no me
sa na wo so no Obofo sana wanya kwanchira nko na ye for your life na wo dia wo dia na ya noi
me pa cho
e yo kusi na dia dabi
kum en fanya agro temi yes suma kum won ka Joseph finance go Jesus o da ka chere me wo se me dia asem no ma kwa mo fa makwa but wo se o sempaka ni bigi ni sempaka en go fo njinchi mo mo sa obi di chawaje na wo be to ejapade
wo sa fe dia wa be si
so obi di chawa mo ya mo to enchire je na ni
akwa me so fukum chacha me ntoma ne me ntoma
ne o bua we akwanche unya akwanche unya
ya me never less obia wono ma me wa ba ma sole Americans agents ka
obi ni mo yiska
me tie
me na udi fan no
dabi
obofo nto abaifo nko de na udi fan
no abaifo nko a won so no wo pa social media e wo de wo ye
me ba social media me ma ma yiska TV me ba ha me tie me ubi sa me se so obi chamadia me o si obi chamadia ana me se me ka me na me sam gu social media na ofra me chamadia me kan na me sam yiska
papa 1 minute
wa kasa bebre mami kabi
ona ho kasa wana ho kasa bisa me
wa kasa bebre mami kabi asa na ko do
jabotre they insult us again we see out papa she say what don't you sika de wonye but so the be channel dia
thank you me can yam some go this kada if you are solid dem po come na magi bi da hwa mu mi da me
mama siri ni na me ba
me ka wan we da
me ka mama ni wa no me say me information sia me so me wo e wo papa say ho US Software be or your friend Bishop Adonten Boate.
Oh, nobody no.
Obo
10 years ago na me fire no.
I say you obo say me ba be yin yama ba. Obo say me be yin yama ba. Obo say me be yin yama ba. Bishop Adonten Boate. I wo USA. Na so
I told you ba go USA. Adonten we enter back. I tell you me na me suppose 10 years ni. Mumpa YouTube sir. Evangelist Papa she exposed anybody you know. Ma expose you know. Mumpa YouTube, Mumpa YouTube, mami obi go YouTube. Yes, why don't for no? Ma expose you America. Ma expose you. I tell you for the back. Ma expose you na down for no. Let somebody go to YouTube. America na myself here. Ma expose you know. Ma expose you America. I tell you for the back. Ma you I told you. I don't take what Mumisa New York, Mumisa Maryland. Ma expose you America. Why do I bonsam? Oton chire oye chire bonsia obi a ye mama wadi bia me so zu wa shia so ye be yi mo tramra mu ko mu shia se ye be pejamo ko mu shia se ye be pejamo
mama kasa masa wo me so me no wo me so
kasa yes me say atro ni bia ye be so zu no
na wo na mo ye papa no wa condemn obi so obi
na condemn no
da bi on your papa
onyuma
na
enyuma mo ya ngri me mo tinya me
wo me so kasa
Papa see without due respect yen nyina ye mpelefo
thank you
bo man yen kasa na ntonkofo atu
thank you
your friend is saying etiefo no mutie mpelefo na etie program we say because Afro joint there all the time why we you a fly kum chacha wonu be akoso eti yeah explaining yourself well na ntonkofo atu
thank you
ekikebo no enkokosi baby abesrabo eti besro kum chacha
yeah
on our floor besro aha kasa
Bishop Adontin Boateng of Virginia where you so focus
Virginia
and no your program what you pronounce your program or you nyame so focus here pa
and we say on Facebook my why Kingdom Plus 101.9 on Facebook obas one was say why Mr. Pamela wa say you be call Pamela so
where you nyame so focus here pa fifi tie me
meet up
dia me person me kan edit asem no na me ba ha ne say nyame juma ye Matthew 7:1 was memu 10 will be 10 so they say eti papa say the person me catch and say ya do preach ya no bo bon crofo din na we nya adwuma me nyame na we nya adwuma me nyame no sha wo ba e be gina platform eso na ka say Archbishop Duncan Williams enya adwuma me nyame me ba o tabel ene aso fo akese we nyina enya adwuma me nyame ene ade bobo Bishop Selifo amo akunu di me ba Reverend me ba
oh yeah fake our last point to go
mama kasa
I don't know you
shut up
Masa, who didn't tell them so boy now?
Masa, mama kasa.
No, don't try. Don't
try.
Measurement try. Me have you
try. What the net to one try?
Let's say, Masa. Who don't say about you?
Don't be what the net to one try. What try what the no waha? Man try. Mama kasa.
Masa Fifi.
Eti the woman said, "Men are also mama kasa."
Because he was out of the show.
That's a man kasa.
3 minutes.
But what I'm trying to say is
what is your program? Maybe 20 Papa said, "What to me? I'm room. Me come chacha."
Oh, not me.
Mama kasa na Come tear me, 50 tear me. No, 50.
For the due respect and then your listeners, I respect them and I respect each and everybody who is listening to the program. Listen to me.
That's why you now from program. And you now. So my kasa we na kasa ya. David. Mami kasa.
Many problems. So
mami kasa. Me go answer don't tell one thing case na me kan it na. One no want ask for person of papa. Mami kasa so se fifie. Kukuru ni jaya. Kekere ebe jai. Me so fukum chacha da me ba program so me ka to say when yame atemu na wode ba. Atemu no obi nim de awurade enje ne nkwa. Ana obi nim de okọ oseyim. Adeboyefo mienu asendu aso no 1 minute edu ye ba ko sesaye so that say John chapter 8 Yesu ka say oba ni gina wo no the one year bonnet that on to woman and a Roman 3:23 say ye nyina ga ye bone eti ye na papa say preach ya na wabo wedding try every be ni share wo program bi so lumba emfa no woman nyame na nyesa wo lumba e ko brunsam jam for direct on some say be the direct or indirect so that say mami firo memra adonten boaten de no so papa say bishop adonten boaten papa say ko asole ho wo could differ. Oh, I tell you the truth. Master Debbie, mommy, me say, mommy, social media where you holy a crown rapture and this to you. What you want? What you want to show to me? Show go to the show me. I'm what do you mean? Mammy Cassan, oh, I'm in you. Only 3 minutes. Now that I'm no 5 minutes. I just want to hear what you're saying.
What carbon down?
Maybe bring you. Mama, no see us, and remember more.
I tell 2 minutes. Papa, see me at the 5 minutes. That's it. Papa, put it up. Money
many problem over cassette. TV, I can't say. You make a million and say, okay, Bible, you know, quotation. But in Bible assembly only public canon. Obebu and one time was judgment. They're all canon. Say, Papa, the minute cassette. Sorry. The Minian can say a papa dia, any one can mini from name of Italy and Fanasa grown for Timmy. Opio Nimino and Theatre, Unime. You will be asking, come in on Zambo. Maybe that's and some in Umida. Mino, what are
by the American?
Vivi, may wouldn't my brother. Such I will be an examined and I was mentioned. If you can't draw, I'm a message for you. I've been having your papa. Oh, man, who read the Bible? What you said, you mean, Kenya, me must follow me. Me my body. Defending and defending will be telling so I shall have a cancer. And the year come. Who say, dear me, Yama Brabon, because I you life for America. Me. Nani has also become so okay, man. Go get me millions. We can be and come on down lifetime. This one. Obiani my brother. Men and I am.
Blogger, Long John. Hey, DJ Berryman. Hey, Madam Stephanie, Nana Joa, DJ Kofi, Kinsley. What will you not tell Josephine, Ewa, hey, Agi, I'm up for what time. I was saying, I am you are waiting to the summer.
Oh, that mean,
yeah, I mean,
come, Miss calm down 2 minutes. They make you point to we are Papa Shiabem for your friends and also the submission. One I mentioned because it's now can and this when you have seen and Kawaka, Becca said they are retracted. But the panel order Usia. It is some now can make sure say, oh,
because
evidence be a woody Kakakas.
Fifi,
Fifi. We are major prophet.
My mic can be in a cacrat, and my voice. Fifi, as some make I love God. I love God. What? She said, when you say, Papa say, Nayela, when I stop, our deal with US crab. I have the girl number. Me Tunyame, me one number. I will be forced. Oh, Mamma Casa. Mame Kasa.
Na the year as a more person.
Oh, Dabio, dear, me person me children say no one is perfect.
Me,
yes, I'm not going
to tell me. Me kwa don't just me nada.
Mame Kasa.
Me no be ada. If I'm served by God, yes. If I'm served by God, Samini obi kwada wa don't boate sorry. Now Now, maybe no be ada. All Ghanaians will witness that I'm sent by God.
Oh, Nina, so I
Oh, be a bounce a man. If I'm called by God, the whole Ghana woman didn't do it. And if I'm sent by God, the who can't true. Some maybe no be ada. And I'm not being a Ghanaians. No, I don't think what's in it. Yeah, that's I can watch the match and say, one guy, that was it will be the cat to be here. And that's why I tell you, why is that we can't do? Why is that we can't do? Mammy, come on, Fifi, minimum that day what day?
Sorry.
Jimmy, me call so me call resurrection power tie. When your prayer line, na me call prayer line. Mama in charge. When your prayer line, and the mini baby, your friend Abrafi, or Pennsylvania, and Abrafi friend me say, guy be your friend of Johnny. Tell me pa. Who name is some bibia? Your friend guy be Johnny. Oh, to me sorry. I would be sorry. Your friend is Johnny. What has more than 7 minutes? Why? Master, baby, come here. Now cousin, I want to see your papa was so. Yeah, I see your papa. That's what I mean. David was a what do you mean? Me trying to say, me trying to say, why should you have my papa and a song? Mama soon. Ah, Baby, Mama soon. David, me your program. Listen, what's the other Baba Masoon? Me your program. Now me show baby. You're not wrong. Me your program. Now me show baby. Program. Now system to me swallow me right. System me call. Now me can't do something. Papa say woman to me a jangle. Now whoever and papa to me. Me don't go. My papa. I'm going to be in the car. David don't say something. David be Johnson. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I can't say it. Don't talk something. And you should say what? Man, you should say what? Let me Johnson. Come Jaja. David me program of one answer. Oba yana me catch na say. Ko say we yana by nyam no be so kwanti. O so me ko wachi am so ko wachi.
Sebedro.
Sebedro. Fi ese konoju.
Sebedro.
Ese konoju.
Abusia mesramwa. Studio ha say na Oshweta said it. Come, yes, so Yabuche. Papa see.
You asked me concerning
that already go statement.
Okay, come Jaja so
Dabi, Ganya, Papa say who said me. I'm on the suit 20 anything. Not to me the member of the way you're facing.
Okay, main retract say Unyane, Kumtiminche, Uncle Baby, Yankasa, Timmy, and a cry back, whom I make us a Marco. Suits, a idea, Odipa da Seni Empe. So I say, yes, you please call baby, almost a sad boy. Because of the tutor, yes, you can almost so be seen a boy. Nanya want you, I sorry them. Na Pharisee for and I used to go and pinpoint to one okay, got John 8 or my Obano, and then a bonnet chair and air corner. And yes, I am man. Now why crying a crow no TV bonnet chair in him? May someone make a deep. This will be a quenya me on concron, and there will be a meeting and obetias. So you'll be there. We are fake prophets, we are fake teacher, we are fake pastor. They make a be an ububefu because I pinpoint the spirit inside me, Holy Spirit at me. And I can't make me a cancer in natural. Ben, me shall not money. What's the minimum be a friend? I don't think. Tell me a year. I'm going to
Dabi, we are so we are young.
Mamma Camasam,
I don't see 1 minute.
Mamma Casa, that's me. You are more than 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes.
Dia me pesa me kire papa she ne say.
They are what don't you?
Thank you for me class so. Dia pesa me kire papa she ne say. Can one sem. By men she will be din. So men she will be din ya. E the program eba. Program e dey ban say me no what's me fight him will be me fight me nyame kingdom so say nyame kingdom be jina. Because o ko Archbishop Duncan Williams din so mfiri nyame Otabe din so mfiri nyame a why ye deform can say defamation of you can say what was me thank you yeah obo Yesu Christo friend and one friend said Babo Duncan Williams din babo Bishop obi nim din e babo General Sally din babo Reverend Obofu din wo betumi preaching say papa say apese peace any asumdue ba o man we mu dia so I say yan wo free USA ba Ghana na obeto yen wo betumi preacher for false prophet wo many problem by edimbo boba mu a eno e dia sembe ba ana me di wie e wa abonte ayi adonten wo no so catch me say adonten watching em free nyame a hwa on twe na no san adonten watching free nyame pa na me tira papa say wo kwa so dem wo no esu ni banya wono papa se koyi nadi e wo dem wo ene sadia medi kan kaye e ba wo didi won ene sika wo gigi ye e won krofo nchen no adonten bo aten no onya sa wo ye discipline pastor enu ni ade a enam so a e ma papa se asolo no nani ankem eti se papa se Ejina Kingdom Plus. I catch them so fukum church say. Online pet and ordinary adonten watching. Now one corner solid that Facebook baby the comment here. Say one no say a online pet and when you adonten watching na won see na so dem da and corner so dem da. A bema Facebook phone could say papa say on can correct.
Maybe me that's Yamisha
come Bibi sha papa she say odim adonte bo ati
na me ka se me nua na me nim
what na sorry for that
me ka se me nua na me nim me say me call resurrection power na me sha say me ka sam say me nua baby e friend Abrafi
thank you
owo Pennsylvania Abrafi na friend me say ye free Obi Johnny tie me pa e ya adonte bo ati na we say ni we ofri nyame na wonim no unim no tie me pa ma me ka sa
me say ofri nyame
wona wo ka wa so we mba cho ka sa man ka sa tie me
papa dia
heaven dia me papa dia papa me papa tie me it I don't think what no me mra ni prayer la so tie me pa itu me ma che me bi obi o tie America bi ani me life I've been doing this for 2 years so I say me mra ni life so na Awurade afrɛ me enu adi a che me there me resurrection power and living bread ministry e wo Ghana go to by police station down ubisa so full chance amofa me ne kwa sorry ye can say bishop asar be dia kubisa omo nyina resurrection for mu tie mo Maryland for nyina dance for so I say and I me call the prayer live so we call prayer live so na me was store e wo Maryland unim so unim be am store we was store Maryland so I say 1425 University Avenue ubisa obi am dia make bia no pe we was store Maryland me turn to me supply movies ne niam ti I don't think yourself or person can say crusade and I say program for first time me na me Maryland any DC any Virginia mpatamu and obi am say massacre ye bomb paye e wo bush enti me nua ba no friend me call no live so no and I call lead the prayer ni bi eden e ma no tie me pa me call lead the prayer ni bi ma no na prayer na me lead no mu no na ebi won ma onya kwa amaso no kwa adwuma do ye ni prayer la so then yin na ye boa so I say massacre enti mu na Awurade Yesu of friend me Yeshua HaMashiach obi emani semie obi emani concerning adonten boaten se on free na kokon
Dabi uti wanyame ye de bi e wani se
o kasa obi o so obi abehun suba o kasa Okasan man, he has a problem. Because when you are talking about open my mouth, I discipline myself so the discipline. You have to be
also when Yami be will be any free Yami. Oh, the enemy Yami will be with you. We papa.
Oh, said that. Oh, said I'm a Ghana fire said this is not jokes. I don't think what and ready be a man is a 10 year. On 3 on ready, till ready be a many. And I ready say, me back and yes, say no my fro, and you had my fro, 10 year pa, name on for any fashion idea. 10 year pa, for any fire idea, na yo prayer line so na me meet ya don't tender ono ono ne kaso be catch na me share da ba ne o prayer line so nti o prayer line be 7 say 8 months and o kaso person program no and I'm so okay me store no me ton ya man ti obi anime and o kaso okay ne me mo ano na me ko high car na ka me fa Virginia for ne Maryland for no mra ti me pa enti me and me kokko rent China for bus mienu from Washington DC bisa no so me boa Emma Jennifer ye nua baba ko boa bi Jennifer ena Linda no ena nyina ye ti Virginia area no ye ne organize it na don't tin no say me bomb pa ye ma wo mo say Awurade inform nko Connecticut so as you say no mo ye program no Connecticut ena mo tu car no mo ko me man ko bi se me ye pa enti onim de okeka man ko bi that's the first time so tin me hu don't tin say that enti ye say baba ye program ni bi ewo Virginia and when I don't think buy no buy me store me man address and no drive here no mu fi Worcester what Worcester no mu buy me store o buy me sansan no hu me and o ka say otumfo na poku na owu ye ne ba ne ono ne ba ne na no ware no ewo Kumase na radio station bi wo ayi ho ona ne manage e when I don't think the chef so say yin na no we presenter you know what must say as an woman I'm so okay just ha na odi nim me so and obi anim say me papa shi nya me enyu de chama massacre ya me ye nya me dwuma genuinely me nya da nipa me mo apo me nya obi asika me nya kwankyere me ka no kra bie ngofo ani say nipa ni be hu no kra it I don't think eba ya na ekoye sa program no Virginia ye koye sa program no Virginia ye fi no ka say ye bi White Place Road ti White Place Road ni e ko organize ye no enti o the buses na fi ba bi on ye ko ye no mu ena me kire na de na me ye frɛ brother bi Francis omna na eye Adona magazine e wo New York obi ani Francis no ye tenten ena brother ba ko ye friend Afifa North California ena Afifa so nya issues bi ena oba so oba mpaibo but Afifa no na sifi mampon so as ni nyina ba bi shetie ye no na afei no ye kwa ye sa program ni wie no ena mo ka say adonten no oni mani bi edida ti mi pa papa shey odi man masa discipline yourself obi abeka say obi abeka say dabi una kodi Temi ye pa many fi wi ase na ba fifi wonni me se de na metie waba betu me America several occasions me boa me won wi ase no na me twempra na me pema obi ani makama sem da bia Awurade be yi ni ho adi kire me no tam Awurade be yi ni ho adi kire me ne me mama me na na tie me chewa de na me tibone mu me ne me mama me na na tie na Awurade be je me Awurade be je me no ma kwa twempra me ntwi obi antwempra da na Satan kwa me ne me mama me na ne ko ba prayer la no so ye course our program no so I say I have all the pictures here so I say eti yanumu ye can say course our program na wo mo share mo ka say papa wona say no obi adam tin use din say wona wasakra na nkofo na me na me the prayer na number man nkofo na nkofo abaso because na me bompa e bush me ntia sorry so na kasi ara na me call resurrection and ye dey say ye wo fie kwa din bompa eti ye ne nko kasa na ono no say em say wakeka maltira bom ene wo mo ko na wo ya obetwa wada paaje so de semna ho anwa kra eya wo mfi timeti asena so no maba prayer la no subi obi na beka kire mo empani sa brother form yansa no e ma no na report say obra adonte ni say no ye say me nim no hotel be say nya nkure I don't know na mo na ga sam pa cho woni hobi I don't know say da bi wo mo na mo ye masa be discipline ma da bi dia wo ya no me video so oh ti entra na ambassador ensam no kure da bi wa ko page no kure aba me tro me etam no wakasa bebre so me kasa ansa na me kasa mu bi ya o tell me no mama sole ko tell me ma me kasa mo cho 10 minutes for tell me ma me na me tie ya ko adonten no ya ne ko kasa say brother say na o bra na o boni sensen ye so sakra na sensen na ma bia fe ya dan so che and ye ko tu no for say 3 brothers ye ko Worcester that's the first time I me call adonten o Worcester or say me call sorry me to Virginia dem about or and me to Maryland dem about Worcester sorry 8 miles sorry 8 hours drive what be that it ye call ye no ko kasa ye call no and a boys ni me ye no de o kaso betimi and o mo akasa ye train ye ne kasa o hwe me wo se mani ade no ma ye me ho tie me ye wo de why your Jesus Christ of Nazareth ye boy ani kire obi bia won tie ase I don't think kasa na nyam dwuma nye se ne no masa twama no bo and am say me papa shi me free wi ase na nyame afra mi a wo ye bone enema wo ye no na wo di mark kama ati bom na wo jiji o musika me na support evil I won't do that. It will be said about or say me Jesus Christ of Nazareth. My name was a just a mean chow one some so that Yamijumano, the man who be a minimum so. And I'm saying, yes, sir, I'm called by God. Some me person seriously, and that the papa ma, a good papa, and come to Colonia Target. It's a free or and I decided it's in here, and I'm a cast meaning that you can prayer on the studio, and I'm just prayer, make us be a ceremony. And or tea said Miss Majapela, Bison and Ninipa Biblic also. It is a idea. Over Freddy Pa, Mamicasa, over Freddy Pa, not one damaging already. You see me, and I don't take off Papa Lincoln. Papa Lincoln will be a Facebook or Mr. Papa Lincoln or US. Men, a branch of Minnesota may go on by the grace of God, and a man by MC. It was a far one is one mamma that blasphemy me. And what is a me? Papa she na boa men o de ne yomba o ne ma mi bidie na me konkon e boni say Satan na link ya adwuma Vota Power FM o New York and was akọ hu cha CNN cha gogo obi anogo na mo story nte o YouTube cha CNN cha nimo san go mo ma me cancel say me call ne ya papa na nkan wo man go phone call in na ntane she me call tie me ye o mo ya 3 ways mo te papa men kasa na me tie nsem na obi o so ye so for pa na oba be me awurade afrɛ me oba be me bɔne sei ɛna ɔmo se ma me nkasa enti be na me se me nkɔbla no so bi otilie enti wɔde me akɔ ɛna linkin no ɛka sɛ asɔfo timi yɛ wicked thing ɛkyerɛ yɛ unbelievers dia ɛna wɔn tia sɛ linkin de ba Facebook story ni na me ba ɔde ba me ba ɔde ba Facebook ɛna linkin no mo frɛ me ɛwa no mo connect me wɔ ayi yɛ ka ne sɛ Worcester enti papa bi afrɛ no sɛ DD ka sɛ so it didn't be say initials and papa no wo ye program said ye wo ye and wo friend say papa she evangelist yes also for be a friend adonten woni wanya entawanta wa bi ntina me pesa me kasa and I'm so me dia wo bi na dia asem obeto manim and I'm friend adonten no ka born na mane say e bi a wo ntwa so na adonten ga say me ntwa no bo ti wo program na so say yo and omuma ge bi a friend na free ye New York wo free see mu sa ga no na dia asem beto manim say opese okono kogu adonten ni mu ase ewo eyina adonten one na da temi one na da e na adonten asa frɛ ma e na omo frɛ afi ye ni di na tem ndi mi gwa me pa sister na cho se me pa na cho wonyai eti sister na eti sa adonten ya me sa no e na o jump no frɛ radio no so e na ga no be ka asem ni nyina se papa she ni innocent na ono mpo na e plead on adonten ni behalf se ma me ma problem me na adonten na so ye tia ne dia e na me ka no kure no e na me se obi Ghana for pa omo ngogo e wo YouTube
o ma me nkasa
e wo YouTube 8 years as 9 years ni mungogo papa she exposed that on timunyi share this year obi ya expose me boa na mu tie ge ne kasa se ge ne samiti ya wo betra be twan twa to me so
papa your friend say murder so
lady na be samiti say oni mo me ye innocent
okay fine
etu unni ma don tin no ba be ka no jasem
eti see am papa me bisa wase mo me sere wa simple question
bisa me fifi
it will part say I don't think mom ne ko twa ntroto wo so
yes and the flat
say wo di ma wa sorry ho
there be one kase me di ma no yes ana timpa cho I don't you got the way na say see ana me tie minim ti dia sa I don't think na e ka cho mo say o nya call in say me ye ntome nwom na me si nyame afre mo ntia se ene na link no mo frɛ me obi nka say mo me fa nto no so ena link no frɛ me say me nya kom na sofo ne se wo mo nya me bɔne sei enti madam fo na frɛ me ne nya e 3 way na me ye kom ene ye ti asɛm no enti omo link ne de kokɔ ye program no ena nkɔfo no so frɛ me say papa asɛm se nyate se yesi prophet bi e pɛ se wo ye obɔne enti me nka say na pa na afiri ye no frɛ me say obi apa mo expose the sia e beba mo ya evangelist papa she expose that thing mo ba take get the kasa nkia mo no radio mo Ghana obi ate
papa ya bo che kum
mini
what's the papa ka ni
mini
me ya chere me da ya chere your pon me ya chere
ma che ho se kasa no mai tentre pa
ya bo che
let me see one me see ya me show at na was what ya see go team
papa wo papa ade ba ko ampese me chere papa she ni se
munyi
pacho wutie
she expose that thing
yene bam mic no ade ba ko ampese me chere papa she ni se mo wa borofo bi aye am ka se me se borofo nyi obi akasa me kana anye ya na wa chere me mo ka bibi se immaturity mo kana immature
yeah
papa she nyame djuma na oyen o sei nyame afre no no nyame ofre ya sebe biem wasama ye wisdom any nyansa a ye de ye nyame dwuma nyame betumi afraw 50 yen yo nyame betumi afraw pa ba one fan mu de okay Proverbs 3:19 was wo nyankopon de nyansa ene bo wi ase sha asase ase se one fan mu de anka nyame dwuma ho a da bia wo benya program hwe Konso, Adiati and my friends, Konso, and I Konso. I just want the whole Ghana. And out here, wouldn't say, me yen yamijumano, Acha Pau. By the Amidabia can say, Obiatsana video way out here in Konso, and him. By a Bosumi and San and 9. Now, when your program. Obiswatana nimu asa de fifi watana nimu so many years unya program da eye kasa say me pacho tie o preach now Kenya me sam na tie me so fukum chacha me ti we me din kum chacha eni bible tie ni yo me din no eni bible se kum chacha na se wan koso em preaching that kobokum church din at the set baby a wo preaching na at the program ba at the ntokwa ba say wo preaching na wa come mention sofo obi din say sofo no ni din no any bible eti papa say the person me say I don't think what in will be a war ebroche bi enu say I don't think what in a man of God oh answer okay anyame ensa e won so by information si bebre wo wa papa say the American won tie ni ye meba oh man o kasa metra wa den continue abia ba ko no say me na no kura no won ka bibi na asem won ka no say fifi papa say kura no on say no ye koke business tie ni yo ana on say all the cocaine be one a panier. Tie ni pow, tie. And no tie. Also, Papa said no cocaine business, one the cocaine be one a panier. Sana, me tete no. Me tete no. If you see a fan again. Oh, now the woman say, "Oh, dear, tie me." Sana, me tie, and don't say a fan again. So that's it. But David, but who say, Nyame some canon. Or bit to walk, now show the body language. Now sending near my being so study or ya the Kenya someone. What to me say nipa bi or so ya na bibi hanampa. Enu de man ye chinie, man ye sadi and watching it. Obi or what the body language. Nanim the way ya or Kenya some what kind Philippians 1:15 say ya was so people years within I want to home, sir and to Quababa, or people years within I want to pay. Obi boy yesu din wo we ene ade so ade ase et me sofukum chacha de me gina ofidie we so aka se se papa se afi se wo no edisi nyame afre ne dia onye ya sofu odin bobo okay because okay wo betumi ya preach dia make nyansa ni bia beti ase okay because the names no bobo na how that be check names no thank you because you were so odi one say me di kan bo aso for mpani for bi din yeah obi ko Action Chapel na be bodon ka William so din wo radio so any TV so say oyi adwuma na bron sama officer wo no e den na akasa wo de ba wo di tokwa na e ba so that say obi ko mensa wo tabela so la jena sali asole sam kwanchi tie ma me kasa so that say na wo be kasa e na wo hia obofo no obi ni mo dayem na wo bo won and how na oh maybe pa no my body ni no nim say my bone wo so tie defend no ala na o mu tiri kasa me ba o mu catch say wa be na kasa e mo na ya na me say wo kasa me catch one say kasa ya na me ya me ho gentle na me so me no kasa me no kasa gentle sa wo program so fifia kasa that be o me gentle sa ni pa no defend o kasa o kasa me ya gentle ya say o ma so o mo kasa eti dia make wa ma na kasa be play masa wakasa too much eti wo ba kasa bi ma kasa bi na kasa oh papa say e fa na for sa de wudi agro no me I am very serious oh papa heti we are sa we are nyachom. Fifi we are sa we are nyachom.
Obi amabodi dibia Ghana for man so paye. I am saved by Jesus. Also for Obi amabodi dibia Ghana for man so paye.
Papa say when you go be amabodi dibia.
Mesi amon so paye.
Papa say heaven
mo man so paye.
Ah you register.
Also by their fruit you shall know them.
Wọ́n ní bùrọ̀ sàmsàm. Wọ́n ní bùrọ̀ sàmsàm. Wọ́n ní bùrọ̀ sàmsàm. Wọ́n ní bùrọ̀ sàmsàm. Wọ́n pirichi. Wọ́n yà ká pirichi. Wọ́n ní pirichi. Yà ká pirichi. Wọ́n ní pirichi. Ghana ha maame ká sàmù tí Papa ṣe ntumi pirichi nkyɛn mi da. Yà ká pirichi. Wọ́n ní pirichi. Maame kasa. Minya, the American say, Mami Chasso, the American say, on Kenya, Samono, Midi church walk around, Yenino, you preach it theatre different. Me nobody out of Casa Sofukum Chacha in preaching. Me Yamasamaka, Yamasam, Yanni started, eh? Kubolo preaching. Me. Brother Morgan, so what in the dinner? Kuma say Morgan. Yan you started Kubolo preaching. And the Bible in Genesis to Revelation. But bien I suffer church meaning. But the American say Papa say person Kenya sam. Nam for program Emreno. Nam fan Tawa ya futu na de mano. Nam fa wo how ma wo mo so fu bidin. On preaching the preaching no. Can't ready for some and yakone. Yes. Over can't ready for some a good by so good dear. Maybe say that my rested you are shit off will be so down. Oh, Michelle, so David dear. Me quote dear, still you all know mammy would I am a shit off on the summer. One more. I dear back one me pro Pentecost who are solemn when I say. So I'll call Pentecost. I want to let you on the child say, oh, what chair cry. Man was say. Onyanko sofo because ni pa na ejira wono obi no mu wi obi no monsa obi yewe etika me dase me pacho me dase etika enkwaja asem kire se ni pa ne ja ase sofo no ade tia me wura studio a me kohwe sofo obi so me say why na wono di preaching ni nyina no wan kotu quotation ba akokra ana kum chacha dabio eni party fia ya bia wura bi wotie kum chacha no me no dabi me Bible no me printing press Papa say this one about 2 minutes me one of the osan come 2 minutes woman 2 minutes am so me say and my Pamela come say obo Papa say wasn't in preaching come doesn't in preaching na me mo bi adi okay me mo bi adi me see preacher benji airtime ne preaching Missy preacher, Ghana, my cook judge has him preaching. Mesramo, Mattia Kuma Futuno. Then Momono, may him, my father, Papa Timmy. The old friend, or say, fear not, my son, I am with you. I won't leave you, I won't forsake you. Maybe by Radima quotation, no. Or the man, a dear come the man and go and guy, and I'm going to find it. Or my Acts 18, verse 9 to 10. So I said, so I didn't know the man Apollo Paul. Wasn't Kawan Tumpo. Kasa, Obi Antimin count and your shame. I want Casa Kobo bidding. Me patch on mammy. Wasn't Kawan Tumpo. One Casa I rather ask one many panas, mammy. I am not here saying Nipa moments and mammy. The Bassa or say a radicin in Mawa Ghana. Did you honor Becca Menka? So I said, Obi Antimin come and your machine. Was him or send a map I will crow him. Was I am a good shepherd. My children knows my voice. I'll use your body. So what they are here. What they are as my own temple. Just allow me, my son. And my banner make some. My ma say me baba kase kum. Bon say mame. And I say obilim be bon say mame. And I go for an be. No, I am here as omu yenyamema. They should repent and lead the sheep to heaven, not hell. So what they are here. It one more turn yema. Yes, we are cheering about concern them akobon for me.
me ba
no so ye bone
eti me ba ma menka me ba ma menka udi oba menka oto ne ma menka oda da ngo fo me na ne obi ani mabrabo obi ani mabrabo obi US for me obi ani say everybody frame me 12 years ni US obi ani mabrabo amabo me fa di bia nso nipa mami signing off tie me oka se mi say yes me ya wo me cocaine na me talk cocaine obi o Ghana bia ni me obra amabo me fa di bia nsie me na mboko nso ne atadwe fifi me no na nam una na produce me o bo me nyom me no na me no ensa me no bi da ensa de me hu sa wo no me no jo to da obi no me no na me no bi da
obi no sa won de ama fifi wo be hu
fifi me no na nte cheye we unse bi kama no da
wo fa da ya ti wo si wo be hu
te say oba be defend ya trade phone ti o say
me be defend
ya bre me no wi na me no cocaine
enya trade
oba be defend okoso a of they see on blessing because we are ya juma mo
me
so yes
papa say
because no go from
me was catching 100 times
me but me
I will be bag you papa say I am blessed
oh go kika oba be give
me say me to you video ma di tra continue preaching me na bo na I am blessed and you be the blessing me and son na me ma ye papa say that be say statement no we yes sir one favor me listen to me right papa Papa say catch him say me. Sofo bi o Ghana bi amane ka asem cho. Me ba. Hwe. Utie me. Opa bisa. Kofi Adoma wonwani. Na bisa no say Kofi Adoma enim ba bi amete. You are me so ye. Woni ba bi amete. Na me life wa. Me bo. Any nshira kakra nyankopon di ehira me. Mame ka asem cho say me ye 100% breast. Minye hiya ni na menam wo no. Kakra bi nyame de amamu bi eso me. Hwa eti me pese me catch the papa she say me matumi asan check ama no be ye 20,000 eye 200 million kura. Atie ama ne de ato instruments. Ya ka me ba
na do instruments am dia ba Ghana.
Me ba. Na bi o me su word say obi kwabere se me. Me na wo papa say wo na mo.
Me instruments at the bus stadium. Me instruments am dia ba the bus stadium.
Who go to national
independence square. Me instruments am be America ba. Papa say
who go to national program person me bless. Who go to no papa one na person me bless. David.
Many azu go to instruments you will make to obi. Me the name me man go for speakers come mom dey go quiet outreach. David me the name to change go for so many go
several times.
Pam, to say.
Pamela.
Everybody compliments his chance. He's a nice looking gentleman.
Okay, and me cat was a me gentress. Me na mo one come here men kan. O come here you me you na you be kwam nam.
Na Pam, well, your friend is saying what you call it discussions I discuss what I say. What it is to me na as of for me no. Na dia futu na o de ma mo Pam.
Kind of said, in China, you are many, and many grew night, and you do not question him. And on one of it to me, I just said, the winner can no cry. I say, when I have been, I say, when I have papa, they will be into me, your boy, and I will be okay. Okay. In January,
who said Pamela, may can be a funny dear. 1 minute. Pamela, when Nyansa, when you say Ghana for baby, I condemn Pamela say, or no way you're subbing, Nabra Bonye, or you say about Cobble Samuel. By 1 day, need 1 second, a peck. A bit to me about sending per be or what? Obedu, but on some Jamna Pamela, Crano or heaven. So I said, it's a them one night, and what we are son of Nyansa, what's here Yame? Nobody can judge somebody.
Okay. Nice one.
Yan Shama Monsagano, Tom. Yan Shama 24 Sagana. Yan Shama 24 Sagana. We are not going to sit down at 24 to destroy our mothers and fathers. Yan Shama 24 and Sagana. Yan Shama 24 Sagana. Yan Shama 24. I used to go almost about them. Yes, you are someone.
Ya di koke wo mo pan ya na ma je no ya de pa mo a Mose
also go bi onya papa bi am sha ase bo no so mpa ye
masa
ya bo ho dawuro
ya di ko
to go bi oto ne ma bi afre urade so go bi ya kwanja jiji ska bi ofre urade
edidi ma wa bro chire e ba ka na
go bi ara o ya kwanja jiji ska do ba kwa bonsam jem you are working for the enemy
enyo de ehia ne you
are working for the enemy you are working for the enemy they are working for the enemy
you tell me you about the same
o me ba ma yi bebre we YouTube ma yi bebre obi ari bi ma yi bebre me ba we YouTube ade bia me ko baba ne ba yi na zafu
mesa pam wa so pam yama wa kwa ba de chale and so cha aje o se na ene ma ko se pam